Okay, you're welcome to this tutorial. Okay, I'm sure a lot of students have been asking about how to see correction whenever they take a test. All right, it's no longer news that O3SCHOOLS app is the app to beat. All right, it's the app to beat if you want to pass your exam. All right, you want to pass your JAMB exam, you want to pass your WAEC exam. Why would the WAEC app? It is the app to beat. All right, a lot of people are competing, trying to compete. All right, but they are still far way behind. All right, but let's quickly see how to do correction, find correction on the application. The app has everything you need to succeed. All right, so please, you should not delay yourself. Okay, so that you don't suck seeds. All right, you should start practicing now so that you can succeed. All right, so let us go to practice for UTME. All right, in this practice for UTME, is where you find all the past questions. All right, this is where you find UTME is JAMB. Okay, it's same thing as JAMB. All right, UTME is Unified Tertiary Matriculation Exam. That is the exam you are writing. All right, you don't write JAMB. JAMB conduct the exam, but they are the same one and the same body. All right, so you can say you are writing JAMB, no wahala. So now let us quickly go to practice for UTME. All right, let's click on it. Once you click on it, now let us select, let's say, 4 subjects. Okay, I'm selecting my subject and I will start. Okay, so let me select subject randomly, and I'm not going to try to be correct. Okay, so I'm just going to pick answers randomly. All right, let's say I'm okay with these settings. You know, I can choose the year I want. Okay, you know, I can choose the topic I want. Okay, but let us leave all of those out. Let us just start the test. Okay, for the sake of this video. Now, quickly, I'm going to pick in answers. Randomly. Okay, next one. I'm just picking answer randomly. All right, so that at least we'll have many corrections to view. Let me go to commas. Okay, let me go to CROK. All right, let me go to CROK. All right, let me go to French now and just pick some answers quickly. Some wrong or correct maybe answers. All right, so now I'm done. Let's say I'm done with the test. So basically I'm supposed to submit here. All right, so I'll click on the submit button. In this practice for UTME, so you find possible exam question you want to write this year. All right, so please do not play with that practice for UTME. Make sure you study and then finish all the questions in this practice for UTME. Okay, so I'm seeing my rich results analysis. Okay, so I'm done with the test. Okay, so now let me now go back to, you now log out. Okay, go back to this place here. This place here that says result history. This result history here. Okay, at the home page. Once you click on result history, all right, this is the last test we took here that included English, Commerce, CROK, and French. You see it here, right? So now you are seeing, can you see this drop down here, this small drop down here? So I'll click on it. Okay, if I click on it, I will see detail. Okay, I can see the detail of the test. Let us see the detail. All right, this is the detail that showed to us. All right, it showed us where the questions I answered came from. Okay, the number of questions I answered in them show the difficulty level. All right, it shows me my UTME score. All right, and so on and so forth. But it's not detail we're interested in. We're interested in correction. Okay, so we'll click on it again. This small drop down, and then we'll click on correction. All right, so now I can see the years that I missed. Okay, on English. Okay, question number 1. Right, I missed it. The correct answer, the explanation. Okay, you see all of them here. So the app is loaded. So I can also delete the history. Let's say I don't know, I did not perform very well, I'm very angry with the history, or I want to keep it. Anything you choose to do, you can do that. Okay, I can delete the history, so it will no longer be there. So that is how you can view corrections on the application. I wish you all the best. This is Master T. Please, you want to succeed, all right? You want to succeed, please get this app activated. Okay, message this phone number on WhatsApp, 0912151 51. All right, let me just do that again. 09121515246. Make sure it's this number you're messaging. Okay, 09121515246. Wish you all the best. Bye for now.